outlets. There are power outlets for small electrical devices, such as cellular phones, in two areas of the cabin: the right side of the instrument panel and the center console storage box. The power outlet on the instrument panel receives power directly from the vehicle's battery. The power outlet in the center console is powered only when the ignition is turned to ACC or on. To access a power outlet, simply open the cap. Please refer to the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting the device to an outlet.